Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 6120M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has just under 1,700 hours on it. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. Very clean unit. The paint is in excellent shape, as you can see here. Again, it is the 6120M model, rated at 120 horsepower. Has a front weight carrier on it. Also has front fenders on the front wheels here. Corner post exhaust, has doors and mirrors on both sides of the cab. Has the heavier rack and pinion axles with the cast centers back here. Has the buttons for the 3-point and PTO on both fenders. Triple rear hydraulics. 540N 1000 PTO. And as you can see, the tractor is in really nice shape. Show the inside of the cab. It does have the buddy seat here for a passenger. Has the narrow ride seat for the operator. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Has the 24-speed transmission. Has the 6 ranges and then a 4-speed power shift within each range. Also has a loader control. If you do want to add a loader to this tractor, you certainly can do so. All your hydraulic, PTO, 3-point controls all located to the right. Front and rear roller blinds, rear view mirror, radio as well. Just a very nice, very clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange a delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us at masttractor.com.